Hello, I am Yogesh Gute. Today's point is blood. Now, explain blood. Blood is a fluid connective tissue. Uh, it's contain four major content. One is plasma. Second one is red blood cell. Third one is a white blood cell, and fourth one is a platelets. Blood is a fluid connective tissue that's contain uh, plasma, red blood cell, WBC, platelets, and transfer of oxygen to lungs through all body organ and tissue, and carbon dioxide inhale lungs organ body organ and tissue to lungs exhalation. This is define of blood. The first of all four components of blood. First one is plasma. Plasma is a water fluid that's contain 90 to 95% of water, and 5 to 10% of plasma protein, amino acid, fatty acid, minerals, protein, carbohydrates. Most of the minerals and proteins that contain most of the nutrients also, sodium, ions also, sodium, potassium, calcium, fluorine, magnesium. Most of they contain flow of the all over the body, and plasma is contain plasma is aqueous environment to maintain our body, and osmotic pressure, fluidity is the main role of the plasma, and albumin, globulin, and basophil, fibrinogen. This is the also play a key role in the plasma. Fibrinogen contains blood clotting function. Albumin contains antibodies, and basophils. Albumin contains osmotic pressure and fibrinogen. Plasma contains most of the nutrient to waste material to collect and pass. The plasma contains main role in the hematopoiesis. Second one is RBC. RBC is a red blood cell, is also called as erythrocytes. Red blood cell contains biconvex shape and spherical shape. They are non-nucleated. The lifespan of red blood cell is 120 days, and day after mature they are spleen and liver. The red blood cell hemoglobin rich red blood cell is a rich protein in hemo, is called as a hemoglobin. The red color in RBC is due to the presence of hemoglobin. The main function of red blood cell is transfer of oxygen to lungs, to all over the body parts and tissue organs, and that's the deoxygenated blood carbon dioxide. They are in exhalation collect to body part tissue to lungs. Exhalation is the main function of the RBC. The RBC count is low, then arises the anemia. This is symptoms, and the red blood cell is more count, that contain polycythemia. It is the red blood cell. Third one is a white blood cell. White blood cell is a colorless blood cell, and their lifespan is 7 days, and they are nucleated. White blood cell, they are nucleated, and they are contain two. Their classification is two types. One is a granulation and another is a granulation. Granulocyte and agranulocytes. Granulocyte contains the granules are present in the cytoplasm. That's called is a granulation. Granulocytes. Granulocytes contains three main types: eosinophils, basophils, neutrophils. Eosinophils is the main function is the parasitic infection to the body, that's recover and infection due to the parasite infection. The asthma contains bronchoaortic inflammation, that's due to the they are reduced, they are in eosinophils. Second one is basophils. Basophils contains allergic reaction, they are reduces. Digestive tract contains allergic reaction, they contain the reduce via inflammation. Third one is neutrophils. Neutrophils is a primary immune perform to the bacteria and viruses. They play important role in bacteria and viruses, kill and destroy the bacteria and viruses. Play an important role in this type. Third one is granulocytes. Granulocytes contain two sub points. First one is a B cell and second one is a T cell. The granulocytes contains the granules are not present in cytoplasm. They are secondary immune system. The B cells contain the main function of B cell is the production of antibody to against the fight of antigens. They are produced in the B cell. That's contain B cell is a very important to the antibodies production. B cell contains plasma cell and memory cell. Memory cell, the main function is the antibodies are remember and produce next time to the fast and get antigen is more destroy, and remember is main function of memory. And plasma cell contains the formation of and production of antibodies, antibody G, antibody M, antibody D, antibody M. This most of the 5 antibodies. The T cell contains helper T cell. They can destroy the pathogen directly destroy and triggers. The main function of T cell is the our body organ plantation or organ plantation that time the immune suppressant they are due to the immune response low, and then organ transplantation. The organ plantation that time the organ is not is our foreign particle, they are found that time T cells are kill this organ and organ cells. That's why they are helper T cell may play an important role in these types. Third one is a platelet. Fourth one is a platelets. Platelets is a small cell. They are colorless and colorless. Their weight platelets. They are colorless. Platelets contain main function is blood coagulation and blood clotting factors. They are present in this platelets main function. The cut of the cut body, that's time the function is the coagulate of the blood and the steep the blood to that spot and stop the bleeding. This is the main function of platelets. The platelets is from bone marrow. It is called as a thrombopoiesis and thrombopoiesis. Red blood cell form in bone marrow. This is called as a erythropoiesis, and the formation of erythropoiesis that contains hormone released by the kidney is called as the erythropoietin. White blood cell, they are formation in the production and formation of bone marrow, that's called is leukopoiesis. This is all about blood. Thank you.